Hello great learners and welcome to another video. This one says the half-life of a radioactive isotope is 8 days. What fraction of it will remain after 24 days? Now it is a common practice to always indicate the amount that was originally present of the radioactive isotope, but in this case it was omitted. Now it is not a mistake. Whenever this happens, you are expected to assume that the amount that was originally present is 1 gram. Yes. So if the amount that was originally present is 1 gram and the half-life is 8 days, then after 8 days, this 1 gram will be halved, right? So we have 1 divided by 2, which will give you what? 1 over 2 grams. Okay, that's the first 8 days. But then, how many 8 days do we have in 28 and 24 days? So we have 24 divided by 8, which gives us 3. So we have 3 times. How many times do we have in 24 days if it is 8 days half-life? So we have 3 times. So that means we're going to repeat this 3 times, right? So for the second 8 days, we'll take the half that's left, and then we go for the second 8 days. So it will be half divided by 2 again, right? Which will give us 1 over 4 grams. So we have 1 over 4 grams. Now remember, we're going for only what? 3 times. So for the next one, we're going to be having 1 over 4 grams for the next 8 days. We'll then be having 1 over 4 divided by 2 again grams, which will give you 1 over 8 grams. Now what this means is you can be asked to carry up this calculation up to, let's say, maybe 32 days. So let's say 32 days. Now if it's 32 days, just divide it by 8. So 32 divided by 8 will give you how many times that you can go. You go up how many times? 4 times. They can give you 64. That means you go 8 times. They can give you any amount. You just keep going in the number of times that have been given, right? Okay, so let's see. Let's say we are giving let's say 64 days. So we have to continue going. 1 over 8 grams for the next 8 days. So we'll be having 1 over 8 divided by 2 grams. So it gives you 1 over 16 grams. That's how you keep going. You get. So it will keep, just know that it will, the numerator will keep increasing in this case, since we are not breaking the fractions into decimal places, right? So here we'll be having, for the next 8 days, count it, 1 2 3 4 5. For the next 8 days, we'll now be having 1 over 16 divided by 2 will give you 1 over 32 grams. So we go for the next 8 days again, 1 over 32 grams divided by 8 days again, for 8 days again, we have 1 over 32 divided by 2. So it will give you 1 over 64 grams. How many days we have here now? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it's remaining 1, right? Okay, so for the last, but remaining 2, since we have 6. So for 1 over 64 grams, so we go for the next 8 days, it will decay again. So we have 64 divided by 2, so it gives us 1 over 128 grams. So for the last day, 1 over 128 grams for the last 8 days, which makes it 64. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times 8 will give you 64. So 1 over 128 grams divided by 2, so it's going to give you 1 over is 16 grams. This is 16. Then this times this will give you 5 and then 2 grams. So after that 64 days, this is what is going to remain, right? But let's recall that our question say we should just calculate for 24 days. So you now end by saying, therefore, the amount remaining after 24 days is 1 over 8 grams. In case it is 64 days they said, you just put this value instead here. Okay, that brings us to the end of this calculation. I'll have to stop here and then we'll meet in the next video. Make sure you don't miss the next video. There are going to be exciting calculations there. Bye.